In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting the language settings for your Wix account and editor. By updating the language setting of your Wix account, you'll automatically change the language for both your dashboard and the editor interface. First, sign into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the user panel located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, click on the Account Settings option, and then hover over the Language tab situated at the bottom. Now choose your preferred language from the list of available options. By making this adjustment, not only will your account language change, but it will also affect the language of your Wix dashboard, workspace, editor, and any communications associated with your account. It's important to note that altering the language settings will not impact the live version of your website. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.